Union Pacific's strategy is safety, service, and operational excellence equals growth. Our CEO Excellence Awards exemplify the pillars of this strategy in action. The Steel Wheel Award leverages metrics to recognize Union Pacific's top-performing mechanical team for delivering the best in safety, service, and operational excellence. The recipient of this award is the DeSoto Car Shop. Through relentless effort, this team achieved a remarkable 800,000 injury-free work hours. Their focus on safety and innovative problem-solving has set new standards of excellence that reduced cycle time through the shop and cost per car repaired, unlocking potential revenue.
We do a lot of heavy work here. There's stuff going on all over the place, the overhead cranes and forklift traffic and a lot of heavy welding and cutting. So we take a lot of pride in the work that we do here and being safe every day.
You can repair all the cars in the world, right? But if you're not doing it safely, you're not the most viable option.
It's always been important, but it's become exponentially more important. As time has gone on, we realize what the value in safety really is here.
About 2 years ago, we sat down and decided that we're going to make a culture shift. The talent and the professionalism with the employees here has always been there, but the safety wasn't there. So I challenged the team with coming up with their own safety processes. We defined that as a group, brought that down to the craft level, got them involved, and once that started falling into place, I mean, everything just started rolling in a positive way.
It is possible to be safe and do a good job doing it. One of our big things is sustainability, safety, quality, production, sustain it.
Take, for example, our Fallout program. We turn those cars out 3.5 times faster than our competition, which means they're out being loaded, gaining revenue for the company, whereas if they're somewhere else, they're sitting. Once we started digging in and looking at those numbers, DeSoto impacts the system.
We've worked really hard in the last few years here at DeSoto to turn things around, the culture and all that. So it's kind of important that people recognize it outside of here, not just us.
I pretty well think that everybody here wants to beat our record that we just broke and hit that 1 million man-hours injury-free.
This team's hungry, and the really cool thing is we've only touched the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more we can do. There's so much more potential this team has. I'm really excited to see them grow.
DeSoto's #1 car repair facility in the United States. If you didn't know, now you know. And knowing is half the battle.